Hello everyone, Arctic from 3D City here, coming with a quick update on our inventory. So just for a quick startup reference, we had our objects stored in a data table, and all the data table is the objects from the data tables are getting their instructions from a struct file. And so I added three more items to the struct file: the price, the item ID, and its own boolean that will reference directly each object into the data table. So as you know, in our marketplace, we have our cards that reference each item and object that we have. And I did a new variable into our building card, which directly reference the building list struct over here. And I can pull out certain information that will be helpful for us. Also did a new function, which is in update card info now. On the previous logic, we had the set text for different things. We had it straight after the event pre-construct. And right now, I'm getting the inventory data table, the inventory structure for the building list. I am breaking it, and I'm getting the name and the price, setting the price also as a variable, setting it as a text, and I'm putting the price as a variable right now because it will help me pass the price when we make the transaction. So if we go into the marketplace right now and we click, for example, on a card, we now have our inventory data, which is over here, and allows me to select the specific items that we want to buy straight from the from our data table over here. And I can add all kinds of elements, the price, the item ID, and its own boolean that will help us further. So right now, things I have left to do is to pass all this information into the characters inventory. I need to make a new struct and data table that will pass, move back and forth depending on what your character owns and not. So yeah, this is the function, the update card info, which I've initialized it under a custom event, and then I'm just calling it after the event pre-construct, and everything works as it's intended, and it works perfectly. So it does according to the, you can see the value over here, according to the input that I've added so far. You guys have a great weekend, and see you soon. Keep on building.